So just a quick video of my situation. My system is in the living room, as you can see. I have a dining area here and it opens up to the kitchen here. And my room dimensions from this wall to that wall is 38 feet. And the width of the room here is about 18 and 2-3 inches. So I was wondering, what do you recommend in terms of sound lab? Would it work here in the room? Would I get enough bass? Am I far away from the speakers enough in order to fully get the sound stage and everything else? Yeah, maybe you can share some first thoughts on how sound lab would work in my room.
Well, there you go, the first leg of the journey to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Our first GE9-7Cs have been picked up and are on their way. Sayonara.